You must have seen so many grammar videos, and I don't know for how many years you have been watching them. But tell me the truth, have you really started speaking in English after watching all those grammar videos? The answer is no, of course. See, what happens is, if you are to crack any exam like SSC, banking, army, then you keep on watching all those grammar videos. But if you are keen on speaking in English, then you don't need to waste your time on grammar. Mark my words, you will never be fluent just by studying grammar. I don't understand why do you want to enter this cycle that once I learn grammar, then I'll start speaking fluently. This is never gonna happen as there is a lot to study in grammar. It takes a lot of time to master grammar, and even then there is no surety whether you'll be able to master it or not. It takes years and years to get hold of it. Seriously, are you really willing to spend all your time in learning just one skill? It's just not possible. We can't put in all our time into this. There are so many other things to learn. There are so many other skills that we can acquire. Earlier, I would also think that once I learn grammar, then I'll start speaking in English fluently, perfectly. But I ended up wasting 2 years of my life. I just don't want you to repeat this very same mistake which I did.